Magandang umaga, kaibigan.
Good morning, friends.
Bubba and I are out for a walk this morning. It's a beautiful day for drying clothes. But get a load of this. This is the Philippines. Like everywhere in the world, we're not immune from progress. They're building a wind turbine. In fact, I think they're building 4 wind turbines on this island. A little bit of an eyesore on this beautiful, majestic landscape. What you doing, babe? Baba, get the guavas. Apparently that one's the best one.